Where's the wind from? There we go. Yay! Oh, it's cool. This is the traditional way how to make a windmill. When I was young, in my country, there's no any toys. So we create our own toys in a traditional way. So this is how I make is a traditional windmill. We can find where is the wind from. Start is you pick up the coconut leaves and make a windmill fan. So I teach my little friend here from Malaysia. So when she going back to mainland, she can teach here friend. Okay. I using my wine opener to cut the leaves. So all the wings must be same. And I make the hole here. Come here. Oh, then like this. This stick is a holder. You can hold like this. And cut over here. They have hole inside and like this. And tie over here. Now, where's the wind?